Hey, welcome back to Random Tasks. Today is a quick video just on something that I have in my workshop which some people have asked me about. So I thought I'd just explain what this is. So this is my homemade shop stereo. So this consists of several car audio components, some newer than others. This is not that old, kind of a more modern head unit, CD player, Bluetooth, USB input. And I've got a couple things plugged into that. The first of which is an old second generation iPad so that I can watch my YouTube videos when I'm in the workshop. And then it's got an auxiliary input into that, which goes over to here. So this is a switch which I've integrated into this fascia here. Above it is an old minidisc CD changer controller. So this would be a when you used to have to add mini or CD changers via kind of FM modulators, except I'm not using an FM modulator. I'm using the auxiliary input on the radio here, and I've mounted also external audio inputs there for auxiliaries. This runs down to this Raspberry Pi I have down there, that green thing. But it also connects to this 10-disc, or 6-disc rather, mini disc changer. Believe it or not, I'm one of the people that used to have mini discs. So right now this is on aux, so it's connected to the computer. I can select mini disc or tape. And the tape deck comes from a 1990s Plymouth Acclaim, where I took this out of my friend's Plymouth Acclaim and put in a CD player or a modern tape deck, who knows. In the 90s, I installed a lot of different car stereos. All of this is wired up and connected to a 12-volt power supply. And then I've just got speaker connections behind there. All this wood I built was just random wood I had lying around. I think the top and the bottom pieces came from an IKEA bed. And these, who knows, cannot remember. I did this probably a good 20 years ago. So it's kind of hard to remember exactly how I did it. But I'll put the wiring diagram up just to kind of show you the basics of schematics of how it all works. But fairly simple. And then I've just got it connected to some old bookshelf speakers I have, one there and then one down there. So yeah, technically 8-ohm speakers, and that's a 4-ohm load, but doesn't matter. I'm not blasting music in here, but it's just nice to listen to something while I'm working in this. That's just a quick video on this shop stereo. It's too bad that YouTube and kind of easy to create digital videos didn't really exist 20 odd years ago. Otherwise, I would have shown you how I built this, exactly when I actually built it. But that's it for now. I hope people enjoyed this, and please like and subscribe if you do, and we'll see you next time on Random Tasks.